Hello? Yes, ma'am. I was wanting to call to say, that fuel pump that I bought, my mechanic go to put it in and it don't work. I'm on my way to bring it.
Alright, did you already talk to somebody on it?
No, ma'am, I ain't talking this first time I'm calling.
Okay, so what's wrong with it?
It's not working. It's not running. The fuel pump you installed it's not running. It's for an 02 Ford Ranger.
What size engine you got?
It was a 3.0. And it was non-flex fuel.
6 or 7 foot box. It's a 6 or 7 foot box.
Oh, I got a super cab. I'm not sure. It was a super cab. And I want to ask you something else. You got a camper down there on the Nissan over there. It's white in color. If you look out your door, it's all the way down on the other side of the lot, right in line with y'all. I just want somebody to give me an estimate price on it.
If you want to go get in there and take a picture of it, they can get you one.
I'm driving in the car. I'm not on the lot.
That's what I'm telling you. What do you want to get in there and take a picture of it?
Oh, when I come up there, I got you. I'm sorry, I wasn't thinking. All right, well, it'll be shortly. I'll be there. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, man, guys, you can see, man, when I picked up the new pump, man, and this old pump, man, I gotta take this pump right here and return it because it wasn't no good. And guys, you don't go buy no used fuel pump anyway. So just so you know, you don't do that. What you doing now?
I'm gonna do a test drive and I'm gonna try to move a car speed, man. I don't have room here. I'm gonna move the cars. I guess I'm going right here to Wells Fargo to drop a car.
Yeah.
All because I need to do some work.
Well,
On that guy that come from Chicago to do a breakdown.
okay, well, I just got a pump, man, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can put it in, man. But I got.
Now remove the lines.
Yeah, I gotta check out to remove the lines. So I go to YouTube. And I'll YouTube that, see how to remove the lines, man, and then I'll go ahead and go on from there, man. Take it step by step.
Okay.
All right, man. I appreciate your help, man. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna go on and like I said, I done got the pump, man, and I'm gonna take and I'm install the pump, and you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna take you guys with me, footage by footage, and let you see what I'm doing, getting done on this little project, man. So man, look, man, I'm gonna turn it back on when I get to fooling around with this pump, man. So I done got to where I done picked it up and everything. Alright, guys, we're just about to pull up at a junkyard, man, and we're gonna do a return on that fuel pump that I told you about, man. You don't want to go buy a new fuel pump, no junkyard. I know better, man, but I was desperately trying to get the ride on the road. You know how it is, man. So we'll be pulling up here in a little bit.
That's a nice little monster truck.
Oh yeah, I seen it yesterday. Oh, there's something going on in the scrapyard, ain't it? So guys, we're gonna, while we're down here, I've been wanting to put a camp on that truck. So we're gonna go down here, man, to where I seen one at. And I'm gonna go down here and try to get a price of it. I gotta take a picture of it, really. And you got an old vehicle, man. You ain't got no money like me, man. You constantly in the damn junkyard getting parts and stuff like that. And that's why it's good to work on your credit, man, and keep you a job so you can. I spotted from over here. It's over there. See it. Yeah, man, it's good to keep your credit right, get your job, man, so you can buy you a new vehicle. Yep. Yeah, man, I want to see that. I was liking that camper. I was thinking maybe it can fit on my vehicle, man, and it'll make a really nice camper with that old Ford. Yep. So guys, I want to show you all something too at the same time while I was down in the junkyard. See, this is the donor truck that I got the fuel pump in, and it looked like a perfectly good truck. The guy said he cranked it up and they drove it down here. So this one of the ones still got all the parts, it just got a blown motor or something. So they junked it, but all the other parts are supposed to be good. Just want to show you all that. Something can look just real good in the junkyard and just be straight junk while it's here, junk. Now, however, you can buy parts from the junkyard that'll work just good to fit the budget to your pockets or whatever. But it got to be certain type of parts. If it's mechanical parts, you're gonna have pretty much a hard time, you know, having to bring them back, not knowing if they work, all this kind of stuff. So you just got to be careful. It's the risk you got to take. Appreciate you watching and tuning in with the video, man. Stay tuned. Next video, part 2 of this video, man. I'm gonna be showing the installation of the pump, man, and that's what it's gonna be. But that's it for today, man. We did everything we needed to do today, man. We returned the old pump. You know not to buy an old fuel pump from the salvage yard. You know what I'm saying? Get one brand new if you can help it. Save up your money. That's even better if you don't got it. You know. Hell, so we returned that pump because it wasn't no good, and we got the new pump in, and getting the vehicle ready so I can go ahead and do the installation tomorrow. I got some other more things I got to do today, so I end this video right there. Peace out, and thank you for watching.